Hello everybody! In today's lessons we are going to learn the characteristics of descriptive test. A descriptive test allows the reader to form an image in their imagination of what is described. It can describe people, things, places, or events. A novel wants you to picture the characters in your mind to make you love them or hate them. A travel brochure may want you to see the resort, city, or country in your imagination, so you want to travel there. Descriptive tests usually make use of adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives to describe how things and people are. There was a lovely, small, chubby girl looking at him, and adverbs to define how things are done. I saw him walking awkwardly and slowly towards the bartender. Comparisons are also very useful to help the reader picture an image. For example, his class was such a mess. It was like being in a Jumanji scene when you feel you are losing the game. For descriptive tests, the writer usually uses linking verbs to activate the reader's five senses: how something feels, sounds, smells, looks, and tastes. As he walked barefoot in the park, he felt the soft grass tickling his toes, and he could hear the crickets whistling as if they were about to explode. Now, let's get some practice. Choose the sentence that best describes the following images. It was a cold, windy night. It was a cold, rainy night. The tiny ballerina was dancing beautifully. The tiny ballerina was dancing clumsily. The tall brunette girl was carrying a baby in her arms. The tall brunette girl was carrying a puppy in her arms. That's all for today's lessons. Keep on working hard. See you soon.